on your dashboard, and you're going to see no stat at this time because there is no stat. But once your system is actually up and running, you got apps and mobile sites running, you're going to see some stat right here as well. Nothing right here. You're also going to be able to see, your people, if they log in and everything. I'm going to go ahead and click on apps. I'm going to go ahead and click on new app. Watch, it's very easy. Now, let's say I want to build a mobile application or mobile site for, I don't know, computer repair shop. Now you get to create a new campaign. I'm going to call it, I don't know, computer, your choice. Now, languages. This is the best part. We got more languages than ever. You can select your time zone. I'm just going to leave it default. Now, take a look. Now, it's going to ask you the type of app. Now, it doesn't really necessarily mean you have to build that kind of app. What it does is, depending on what you choose, it's going to show you, modules, widgets that are, related to that specific kind of business. So if you click on business, music, events, restaurants, other, it could be anything, photography, education, blog. Let's say, if your customer wants to turn their WordPress into an app or mobile site optimized, you got it. I'm going to go ahead and click on business. I'm going to go ahead and click on create app. Now notice something. It's going to show me business related modules. So I want to click on the plus sign. Now take a look. So when I clicked on the plus sign, if I had chose music, it would show me something related to media on the recommended plan, but it doesn't. So all I do is click on this. I added a home screen on the right. Now I can change the columns, icon size, color, all that good stuff. Nothing complicated. Gonna go ahead and click save. I'm gonna click the plus sign one more time. Now for this business, I want call this, right? Call this button. All you gotta do is type up. See how this is like so user friendly, and it works directly with your current app builder. It's just an add. I'm gonna click on the plus sign one more time. I want to add maps, right? Why not? You can go ahead and add your information here. Address right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add 101 East Park Boulevard, Plano 75074. That's our office. I'm going to click find. It will find it, and it did right there. And I can just click a marker text if I want to. If I don't, just leave it as is. Now, as you can see, we got call us map. I want to add something more. I want to add some sort of content. I don't know. Content. Where's content? It's right here somewhere. Content right here. I want to add some sort of content. I could right here, as you can see. I can click on plus button and I can add things like, so I want to sell something, right? Pretend. Now this is really cool. I'm going to click on the plus sign. Watch. I'm going to call it store, okay? This is what makes the system so beautiful. Now, I'm going to click on payment system. I'm going to choose PayPal. You can choose Stripe as I'm going to go ahead and type in my PayPal email. I'm going to make it live. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I'm going to click on make sure everything is right here. I'll go ahead and click products, add a product. You can upload a picture. You can add a title. I don't know, shoes. Description. You can add a description. Cool Texas boots. Price $50. Active. Once you click add, the product is added, folks. The product is right there added. Now I haven't added any photos, but I could click on this, like take a look. Now you can actually go ahead and make a new folder. So I'm going to make a new folder called, I don't know, my personal pics, whatever I want. I'm going to double click on it. I can go ahead and upload files if I want to. I can go ahead and upload files. Let me upload a random file. Right there, it's that easy. I can click on it and I can import it if I want to. Now I can download, I can view, I can crop it, my choice. It's up to me. At this time, I'm just gonna leave it as is. I added the photo. I'm gonna delete this one and I'm gonna click save. So I basically right now created an e-commerce store right there. That's how easy the system. Now I'm gonna click on the plus sign. I can do coupons if I want to. Coupons. I can add a deal, and the deal you can make it expire. Like look at this. Look how cool this is, folks. You can do all of this. Buy one, whatever you want. Add your image, blah blah blah. What kind of price you want to offer, and people can actually come to the store and show this or print it. Very cool. Gonna click on plus sign media. Let's take a look now. Of course, photos, videos hosted or YouTube. Now this is really cool. SoundCloud. This will allow you to do audio streaming, uh, radios. You can put up a podcast, anything you want. SoundCloud. No one has ever offered that on an app. How cool is that? Now you can have access to this. You can click on social. God, take a look at this. You can connect it to directly to Facebook API, Flickr, Instagram, RSS feed, Twitter. Not just putting a link, folks. It will connect directly to the system. So that's how awesome it is. Of course, and general, of course, we got our good old stuff, map, whatever we want. You can also go ahead and add forms, create quizzes. That's up to you. Now, once you're done, let's pretend you're done right here. Now you go ahead and click on the design and layout. We got a bunch of designs. You can add your own design too. Right here, if you want to make it, click on the icon. Look at this. Do you see that, folks? You click on this icon, it will give you some options, related options. I can change my icon just like this. Now, if I want to upload a custom icon, I can click on this. I can upload. I don't have to resize. I can use it. I can basically use this if I want to. It basically did right there. So that's very cool. So you can click here. You can remove it if you want to. Now, right here, this is your background. You can upload new image. It's your choice. Again, if you click on a different design, it will just change. And that's not a good design. That's not good. I want to use this one. Let's see how that looks. This looks very nice, folks. Look how good that looks. Now, right here on the bottom, you can preview it for iPhone 6, 5, 5C if you want to, Android. So you can preview all those. Now, once you are done, look on the right side right here. You're going to see this little button. It says, now, you have a lot of options now. Right now, you can go ahead and do a QR code. You can download it if you want. It's your choice. You can click on this, and you can also do redirect code. Now, here's one of the best part. Now, whenever let's say you're building a mobile site, usually what you have to do, folks, is download it, upload it, write a code, find a code. God. Usually you're going to be having to do all mobile redirect code or WordPress plugins. That's bullshit, folks. All you got to do, copy this, paste it on the index. You're done. That's it. And you can actually control everything from right here. It's synced. There is no updating. You never have to download, upload, download, up. That's a lot of time, folks. Let's save that for something else. Now, if you want to download the app, click on download app, and it's right there, folks. It's right there. You can go ahead and click on add Cordova. It works with PhoneGap, your Intel. We're going to be using this for Windows app. It's coming very soon. We have little bugs coming up, so we're fixing that. So this will actually be will work with Windows as well. It works right now, but it has bugs. So that's why I'm not promoting it. It does work with Windows, but it's not perfect. And with everything with iOS, Android, mobile, it's perfect. With Windows, it's not perfect. That's why I'm not promoting. But it does have Windows modules. Now, all you got to do is click on this and click on this right here, download app, and it will download the app for you. Now, you can import it directly to store. You can import it to your existing app builder. You download it, export it to. And we have all the tutorials for this. So we're going to give you all the tutorials, everything you need to do this. Now, I'm going to click on this one more time. I'm going to click on app settings. right here. Now look at this, okay? You can go back and change language. Now, let's pretend you want to have a custom domain for, some customer says, hey, I want a custom domain. So very simple. Just type up your custom domain, make sure you change CNAME. That's it. No need to upload. Now, right here, this is your short code. You can actually change it to, I don't know, Bob's store if you want. We just have a random code right here. Now, that's that. Tracking codes. You can actually go ahead and enter, Quantcast, Google Analytics. We have a tracking software. Right? I'm going to show it to you again. You can paste it right here. You can upload any JavaScript. If you know coding, it's not stopping you. It's not limiting because the system is perfect for people with zero technical knowledge, zero, but it does have all the features for people who know a little bit of coding, or those people who know how to Google and find codes, that kind of stuff. Now, once I've downloaded it, I can import it very easily. Now let me go back to data and stat. Right now, I don't see any data. Right now, that's because we haven't up, it's not getting in traffic. All you have to do is find, click on this month or last today. It'll go ahead and give you the traffic right here. Dale has a good question. Dale is asking, let's go back, and that's a good question. Let's go back and review it very quickly. Dale is asking, so let me go ahead and click on this again. So the custom, I think he's talking about the custom one. So custom domain, folks, it could be your domain or it could be client's domain. You don't have to, but you could. Most of the clients, they're not going to do it. All they will do is they'll click on this, they'll click on this redirect code, copy, and you're done. That's all you have to do. Now let's go back to data. This is that. Now it'll give you, how many views, how many logs, blah 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 blah. If you click on widget data, now look at this. Look at this, folks. Now, what I can do is, as you can see right here, which app I want to see information about, it will let me see how many people use the coupons. How many people, you can add more stuff to it. How many people are using, I don't know, watching the SoundCloud, or, listening to SoundCloud. How many people are submitting forms. All this information, so you can track data very easily. Now, this is the system. Again, this is an add-on system. It works with your current app builder that you already have. Now, I'm going to go ahead and share how much it's really going to cost you. It's normally, folks,